Hello, welcome back to another video with UPDF. This is Mo, and today I'll be going through how to create a PDF using UPDF. This video will cover all the steps, whether you want to create a blank PDF or create PDFs from other file formats, create PDFs from a scanner, or even create PDFs in batch. Click the link in the description below to download UPDF and follow us now. If you've already downloaded UPDF and ready to go, let's begin by how to create a blank PDF. Open your PDF on your PC like this and find the file button on the top toolbar. Click the file button and hover the cursor over create and select blank page. A pop-up will open on your screen. Now name your blank PDF file. Input the number of pages you need, for example enter 8 if you need to create a blank PDF with 8 pages, and select the page size. In general this is A4. And finally just change the orientation to landscape or portrait, whatever you prefer really. And now select one paper style you like and just click create. A blank PDF will open on your screen. Now you can click on the edit PDF to edit text, images, links, or you can click on comment to add shapes, stickers and more. If you've already created files in other formats like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and you want to create PDFs for these files, you can also do that with UPDF. There are two ways to do it really, so let me show you both here. Our first method is a very simple and instant way to convert any file to PDF. Just open UPDF and drag and drop any document onto the interface. UPDF will automatically convert your file into a PDF document. Isn't that so easy? The second method is to click on the create PDF from file button, hover over the mouse to the file button and click create. From the drop down menu select one of the following: PDFs from image, Word, CAG, Visio, PowerPoint or even Excel. Alternatively, you can click PDF from file. A pop-up for file selection will open. Choose your document and click open. Your document will instantly be converted into a PDF document. Okay, so if you want to scan to PDF as well, UPDF will be able to help you as long as you have a scanner connected to your PC. Just launch PDF and ensure the scanner is connected to your PC. Put the paper in the scanner and now just click the file tab and select create. Choose PDF from scanner and now UPDF will connect to your scanner and preview the scanned paper. Next, adjust the scan settings. UPDF will offer two modes for scanning: flatbed and document feeder. The flatbed is a typical scanner where you will place the document upside down on a glass surface. The scanner will copy the document and you can select the flatbed, adjust the document parameters like grayscale or colored file. You can also customize the paper. The document feeder mode is an automatic document feeder specifically designed for stack of pages. Just load multiple pages orderly and unclipped in the tray. The feeder will automatically scan each page. When you choose the document feeder mode, you can customize the paper size, kind, orientation, etc. After selecting and customizing your scanning modes, choose combined pages. To create a single document, or check the option to perform OCR after creation to create an editable document. Next, click scan and now choose either complete the scan, or if you have more pages, just click more pages of course. Once done scanning, UPDF will automatically create a PDF of your document. Now you can save or edit that scanned PDF. Now if you are a Mac user, you'll find another awesome feature, which is creating a PDF from Capture or Clipboard. This means that you can convert your screenshots and Clipboard content into PDFs directly, and here's a simple guide on how to do that. First of all, open the file, website or window you want to capture. Launch UPDF, then minimize the UPDF window. You can have the UPDF top menu staying in the Mac desktop and the content you want to capture open. Now navigate to the file menu and choose your preferred option, either PDF from selection capture so that you capture a specific part of your screen, or by selecting PDF from Windows capture so that you capture an active window, or PDF from screen capture so that you capture the entire screen. For example here, I'll choose PDF from selection capture, and once selected, UPDF will automatically create and open your PDF. To save it, just click File, Save, and choose your destination. It's that easy. To create PDF from Clipboard, you need to copy the image to the clipboard firstly. Here I select this image and right click to select copy. Then open UPDF, go to File, Create, PDF from Clipboard. Now it converts the clipboard to PDF directly. These two are awesome and efficient features. Now if you want to convert multiple files into PDFs, doing that manually one by one takes ages. But worry no more, because UPDF offers batch conversion to create PDFs instantly from multiple files. You can even combine all of your files or create individual PDFs for each one. Here is how to do it. Open UPDF and click on the batch button. Click Create PDF and select Create multiple PDF files or combine files into a single PDF. To add files, simply drag and drop them into the interface or click Add Files and select your documents from the PC. Click Apply, and you might need to wait for a few minutes until UPDF processes each document, but once converted you can save the new file to your PC. As you can see, it's super easy to create PDFs using UPDF. So click the link in the description below. You can download UPDF for free and try it yourself. And that's all we had for you today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and comment, and subscribe to our channel for more UPDF related videos, and see you in the next video.